Hello friends, I am Nasser. You are watching Media Creation Club, your all type of technical information hub. Today I am here with another interesting, very technical type of information that really it will benefit certainly to your laptop or your overall work as well. There are some issues that people don't recognize regarding the battery life of your laptop. Especially if you are in home, it's not a trouble or problem for you. If you are in a picnic or in a park or in office or on the go or in some troubly area, then definitely you have to keep these points in your mind that you have to save some energy to your laptop to get long-lasting and effective work or effectiveness from your battery life of your laptop or PC or machine. So here are some tips and very related information I am giving you. So let's get started. So friend, randomly and very quick and precise way I will tell you something very informative that always prefer while stopping or hibernating than sleep to your computer or laptop. Friends, the second point is that screensaver or moving object will kill your battery, so avoid this one. And also turn off wireless and Bluetooth to your laptop. It will also consume lot of stuff and speed and battery to your laptop and device or machine as well. Friends, a valid and very secretive point I want to tell you that always prefer to install SSD than HDD because SSD are smarter in working and lighter and resources consumption and you are regarding the speed and the battery. So always prefer SSD in your laptop or machine. And the other point is that graphic accelerators should be turned off every time. Importantly, if you have needed in any graphic designing while in gaming time, otherwise it should be off. And the valid point also should be noted that keep your battery clean. So this will affect very beautifully to your machine because clean battery will not be heated or will not damage to your machine as well. And this is also a valid and very notable point that always keep in mind or be alerted about your laptop inside or beneath and below air circle or air breathe system, that is a fan area. It should be clean and it should be arranged in such way that your laptop should breathe very sufficiently to avoid battery loss or overall laptop heating problems. So this will save your time and save your machine as well. So you must be alerted regarding the place of the battery in your laptop. So there should be a vantage point. The last point I want to tell you, the charger of your machine or laptop should be original and should be double checked. It will smoothly work and will not be hot or heated, and it will sufficiently fill your laptop battery and everything will be comfortable mode. So friend, I hope that this little information session has give a bit breadth of information to you, and in my point of view these all points are valid for any laptop users, but you can get very serious these is some one of the points to your applicable laptop and machine. So it will really save your money or time. So friend, as usual we YouTuber always emphasize for the subscribing because it's your good, because you will get always very timely manner to our newest version of videos or newest hard work that we do for the viewers. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great time.